Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to show you how to use the KineMaster app. So you can download from the Google Play Store and write KineMaster. So KineMaster is updated and it is very nice. Now let's click on KineMaster and open it. It's opening. I like to prefer KineMaster because I have made many videos on this. Now let's go to create new, and you can take any project which you want, but let's take the default one and then go to next. And now we have to take any video which we want to take. So for example, we'll go to image assists. In image assists, so there are default images given by the KineMaster. So here are some colorful and here are some beautiful type. So I'm going to take this one, white one, because I want to take my own color. So for that we have to go over here in this option. I'll show you where we have to go. We have to go in this option. So let's click it, and you can take any color you want. I will take red, and over here it will show which color you have taken. So let me do right. It is looking nice, but I want to change the color. I will take as a light color, this color. And now we have heard how to put pictures, and now let's take more. So we'll go to media and we'll take assist, and then we'll take how much photos we want. I'm taking like these photos only. You can take your photos which you want to put, and these are photos. Now let's go to basic things. So we'll on the video like this, it will work. We have put it nothing. We can make it bigger or smaller, like our duration which we want. So I will do with this big, this small, like this durations. We can do how we want to keep the photos, how big they will be. And you can take, and where you want to put the photo, you can put there also. Like I want to put this photo over here. So we can put anywhere where we want. Yes, over here I want to put. So like this, there are many photos I have taken. So if we want to put a photo in top of this screen, so we'll go over here. We have to go on layer, over here layer, and then go to media. Over here we have to go to media. Okay, we'll go click on media, and then I want to take this picture. I'm going to take this picture of top of it. So it will come, and where we want to put, this is this option. This option is for over here. Which option comes, this means it can be bigger, smaller, and this can turn. How we want to turn it. So I want to keep it like this. It's looking nice. And we can do animations also, and we can set the duration how much we want till it should be. I want till it will be here, till here. And we have to we can set the duration how much till we want, and we can go animations also. We can take, there are many animations. I want to take this one. It will slide down and come. In animation means it will how it will come, and over animation means in the video how it will do. Like for example, flicker in the video, in the whole time it will flicker only. Overall means whole time. Out animation means when it goes, how it will react. So I am taking it, and how slow we want, how fast we want, we can do from here, but let it be default only. Now let's see how it will look in animation, overall animation also. And at last we'll see the out animation. See it, the out animation has came. It was looking nice. Now I showed you how to put for, let us do, I don't want this overall animation now. Now let us see how to put videos. We have to do same as go to layer, media, and go which video you want to take. So I want to take this video, so I want to do his front. It was back, I want to do it front now. So let's take it, and I want to crop it. Volume also we can do, means how much volume it will be. Let it be this much, 39. We can do 200 also. The 200 is the last. And in animation how it will come, I have told you chroma key is not used here now. Cropping, if we'll go to cropping, we'll on the mask. So over here, the what shape we want, we can put that. I don't want any shape, it will be the square default. And when we take the shape, we can make their feathers how like this sometime. So I don't want to take any mask, I will defaultly close that mask. I want to only crop. I'll go over here and crop it like this. Like this it will crop. See. And I want to crop more. Go to croppings, and I want to crop till this much. I will take this much already. Okay, now let's on the video. And now I've taken it from any other site. Like this it happens. So we have seen in this video how to upload photos and photos. We can upload videos also, and how to upload on top of the photo the videos and photo. Now we'll see how to upload. There are many options. Living media, there are effect, then stickers, then text, and then handwriting. There are many. Now we have to do this also, because the media is not only this the important thing, these also are important. So what happens in effect, here are two basic effects like this one. This effect be like this. I'll show you how. If we'll go over here in this video, I want this effect. We'll go over in the layer and click on effect, and then go to this. Now like this it will be like this. Now let's open it the video and see. Like this, and we can do it bigger, smaller, how much the duration we want. Like this it happens. Let's see. So it happens like this. Now here is one more effect. Now let's see effect, and there is basic effects. Like this is the blur option, where we can blur what we want. Like I want to blur this one, this till here. I want to blur it till here. So I'll go over here, and then again click on blur, and we can go to settings, and we can do how much blur we want. I want till 7 number blur. The 7 number blur, it will be very much blur, and we can do it bigger and smaller from where we have to do the blur options. So I want to do till here. Where the video completes, I want to do till there. So I'll do the blur how much I want. So we did the blur, and over here there is one more effect, that is the mosaic. It makes the picture mosaic. So let me do like this. I'll do like this, however we want, and then I want to make this mosaic like this. These are basic effects which are given in the KineMaster app, and we can take more effects also by going to effect and go to this KineMaster Assist store. So here are effect option, and you can take any effect which you want. So I will not download anything now. When I will go to advanced level, then we'll download. Now let's go back this. So mosaic, mosaic also there are settings is how much block size should be, means the block size should be smaller, bigger, how much the block size to be. So this much I want till 6. Now after effects we have stickers. So we'll go click on stickers, and here are many default stickers. There are many stickers. Let's take one sticker. This is a cloud sticker. I want to put it over here, and a drop coming. I want this drop coming from. Okay, and then I will click on write. and I will click on right, and I'll go to stickers again, and I want to take this cloud option also, so it will look nice. So we can take many stickers, and over here we can go again to stickers and take classic stickers and take here what we want. We can put in these stickers options. There are many default stickers, and from the assist store we can take stickers also. As I told you, in the advanced level I will show you how to go to assist store and download. Now after sticker we are having text. So sometimes we want to put in our videos in the video, some especially in the videos which we are not talking. Like for example, there are many YouTube channels in which the YouTubers don't speak, and they type in their videos and say what they want to say. So like for example, I want to write, let's study with Tanvi. I want to write this. Okay, I will make it bigger, smaller. I want to make like this, what we want. I want to make this much bigger. So I'll go to this option. If I go to this option, we can click on this option and we can do which style we want to make our. And there is Android and Latin. So let me take one of Android. So I've taken this of Android, and if we are writing a text that we don't want, like for example, we are writing a text that we don't want and we want to change that text, we'll go over here and change the text what we want. Now let's take Latin. In Latin there are many nice things. I want to take this one. It will be creeper, like this, and that it is not looking nice in this, so we want to change the color. For that we have to go over here for the changing the color. We'll go over here to color and want to take black. It will look nice, and we can take animations, pop. When it will come, it will pop, and I want to take the auto animation. When it will go as a counter clock, like this. So let's see, it is coming like a pop and going like a clock. Now after the text there are handwriting. So handwriting, we'll go to handwriting if we want to make handwritings. So we'll go over here, we'll click on this option. We'll click on this option and what shape handwriting we want. Like I want to make this much handwriting. So we can take over here which type of handwriting we want, and we can do what there are fill circle, the normal circle, like this. And if we want a color, we can take over here the color and we can do like this. Here are many effects. There is this arrow, and I'll take white. Now there is a brush. We can write with brush what we want, and pencil. I will write subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. So this is handwriting. Guys, I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.